How to play Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to first show you how to make a stand on Please Donate, and this includes making game passes like these so you can start accepting donations. Then I'll show you how to claim your donations so you actually get those Robux. After that, I'll show you how to actually donate to other people on Please Donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to play Please Donate, the first thing we need to make sure we have are some game passes created so that we can create a stand and start accepting donations. So if you're already in a game in Roblox, go ahead and select the Roblox icon on the top left to close that game. Select leave once the menu comes up and then confirm you want to leave it. Once you close the game from the home screen here, to create our game passes, all we need to do is select more in the bottom menu, then scroll down and select create. Once create opens, select the 3 horizontal lines to the left of home to open the menu, and then in the menu, select the arrow next to Creator Hub. From here, select Dashboard. And in here, we just want to select our place. If you have multiple places, make sure you select a public place because your place has to be public for your game passes to show up on your stand, and Please Donate. If your place is not public, simply select it, then select the 3 dots in the top right of it. And where mine says Make Private, select Make Public. Once you've done that, select the name of your place. And then once your place has been selected, select the 3 lines to the left of Dashboard, and then scroll down, and under Monetization, select Passes. Now just select Create a Pass. So this is the little green icon that shows up on your stand so you can create donations. You can add an image to it if you want to, but you don't have to. And keep in mind, with any of the information we're uploading as a game pass, make sure it follows Roblox rules because you could get in trouble or banned from Roblox for uploading inappropriate stuff. So after that, give your stand a name. Then you can give it a description, but after giving it a name, all you need to do is select Create Pass. We've now created our pass, and as you can see, my pass, Play Please Donate, currently says Off Sale. So to change that, what we need to do is select the pass. Then once the game pass has been selected and it says Basic Settings, go ahead and select the 3 horizontal lines in the top left and then select Sales. After that, toggle on Item for Sale, and then we need to list the price in Robux for our game pass, and this is going to be how much we want to receive in donations. But keep in mind that you'll only get 70% of this. So if I make my game pass 10 Robux, I'm only going to get 7 Robux because, as you can see, creators earn 70%. Roblox keeps the rest of that. So as an example, I'll just do 30 Robux, and then I'll select Save Changes. Once you've saved those changes, you've then created your first game pass. You can select those 3 dots to the left of Sales to then select Passes, and this will show you your passes, and you can see the pass we just created, and it says 30 Robux under it. So that's how much it'll be on our stand. And you can create as many game passes as you want. We can then hit the X in the top left, then select Home, and then just open up Please Donate. So now once Please Donate opens, all we need to do is find a stand that says your text here, and then hold down the claim button to claim that stand. And as you can see, our game passes will show up on it, and that 30 is the one that we just created. From there, you can hold down Edit to edit your stand. And this includes not only changing your booth, but you can change the text on your stand by selecting text, then editing this text, and then hitting the X, and that will save and then be displayed on your stand. From there, you can also change the font and color, things like that. So now people can donate to you by selecting your game pass and then buying it. If anybody buys it, all we need to do to claim that is simply select the little gift icon in the left menu. And then if you select that mail icon up there, you'll see and be able to claim the donations that were sent to you on Please Donate. Keep in mind, once you've received donations, it can take 7 days for Roblox to approve those and for those donations to show up in your account as Robux. If you want to donate to anyone on Please Donate, all you need to do is go up to their stand, then select the game pass that you want to buy, and then select the Robux amount. So this is 5 Robux. If I select that, I'll purchase it, and then I just donated 5 Robux to that person on Roblox. All right, so that's how you play Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.